question. But it's a question that, unfortunately, there's so many pros and cons of both sides. And the con of both sides is crazy because you're empowering a gigantic criminal enterprise.
That is, yes.
That's crazy. And that was prohibition. That was the thing that was going on in America. They didn't stop people from drinking whiskey, but they stopped them from drinking good whiskey. They were making moonshine and... You know, that was what NASCAR was created for.
Yeah.
They were trying to run away from cops.
Those boys out, yeah.
They developed hot rod cars to run away from cops. And they said, you know, we should race these motherfuckers. And they just got up fucking racetracks in a circle.
Yes.
I mean, that's literally how NASCAR started. And it's kind of amazing. But it's just... There's no one perfect answer. There's no one thing we say, you know what? If we do this, we'll have 0 deaths and everyone's going to be peaceful and the world's going to be a utopia. There's no answer like that.
No, but here, and I'm not suggesting this, okay? But if you have a regime that is really strict on drug use, you don't have much drug use. I mean, I'm talking about like...
Yeah,
like Saudi Arabia.
Yeah,
you know, if you're cutting people's hands off, or and that would never fly here, and I don't think it's a good idea.
It's definitely not.
But
a good
this
idea
that like you can't culturally and societally lower the levels of drug use is not true. You can. It's just a question of the price you pay.
Right, but isn't that the thing about like peace as well? Like as long as you're willing to have like was it the president of the Philippines that was killing drug
Duarte.
dealers?
Yes.
I mean,
yes.
I bet that had an impact.
Yes.
I mean, I wouldn't recommend it, but I bet it worked to a certain extent.
That's right. No, so there's just this idea. The drug legalization lobby has very successfully argued that basically you can't manage the amount of drug use in a society. You just have to manage the consequences, and that is demonstrably untrue. Here's another, drinking and driving used to be pretty societally acceptable, and now it's not acceptable. I mean, people still sometimes do it, but levels are way down.
Have you ever seen that video from when they first started telling people you can't have an open beer in your car?
No.
See if you can find that video, Jamie. I think it's from the 1970s, and then this lady's like, basically, we're becoming communists. And this guy's like, you work all day. It'd be nice if you could have a beer on your way home. Like, it's crazy. These people are advocating for